making rainbow cupcakes, and I'm pretty excited to do this because this is a spiral buttercream effect. So it's just a vanilla sponge with some buttercream, and it's going to be all nice and coloured. So let's get into the video. The ingredients you'll need are 1.5 tablespoons of milk, 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get into the baking. First thing we're going to do is sift into our bowl the caster sugar, the self-raising flour, and the bicarbonate soda. I'm just going to sift this into the bowl like normal. Then we are going to add our eggs. And we're also going to add in our butter and mix like normal. Then we are going to pour the vanilla and milk into it. And we're going to mix for the last time. Okay, so the mixture is now finished. This is a very, very easy mixture. You can use this for any cupcakes if you want. You just add like buttercream or flavoured buttercream if you want. So all you're going to do now is grab a spoonful of your mixture and put it into your cupcake. Okay, so I've just finished putting all the mixture into here, and now we're going to pop them in the already preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the cupcakes are now come out the oven, they're chilling on the side, and we're going to move on to the buttercream. So for the buttercream, you're going to need 400 grams of icing sugar, 200 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's get into the buttercream. First thing we're going to do is pour the butter into here. And we're just going to beat this. Okay, so it's finished beating, and we're going to add a bit of this icing sugar at a time. Okay, so here is the buttercream now, and what we're going to do is add in the vanilla extract. And I'm not going to add any milk in, but if your buttercream is too thick, then you can do. And we're just going to mix this up for the last time. Okay guys, so the buttercream is finished. I've grabbed 6 bowls and I've got my colours. So we are going to do the rainbow. So it's going to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So I thought we'd just start putting all of the colours into all the buttercream into the bowl and then colouring them. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've coloured all my icing, and as you can see right here, I've got 6 colours, and I've also prepared a piping bag with a star nozzle on the end. And I've also got some cling film here and a tiny spatula. So the first thing we're going to do to make our swirl piping effect, you're going to grab your first colour and grab some of it onto here. I'm just going to put it in a line. And we're going to do that with all of the colours. I've now put the colours down in order. We've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. They've nicely laid down on here, and all we're going to do with the cling film is just roll it. So as you can see, it's now kind of like a buttercream sausage, which is what it should be like. So you can like roll it, see all the colours. So now we're going to grab our piping bag. We're going to open it at one end. We're going to open the piping bag up, and all we're going to do is put this in here like that. And then we've got our piping bag. And then we're going okay, so I just grabbed the cupcakes. I've got the piping bag all ready to go. So we're going to start by piping it out now. Ta-da! So these are finished cupcakes. I have done so many different styles in here. As you can see on here, I kind of done a rose sort of style. So it's not, hasn't got very much height, but it's got like a really nice centre. And as you see here, I kind of just done a little popular thing. And then I done the classic swirl. And I just think they look absolutely amazing. I mean, who wouldn't eat one of those? So I am so happy with how these turned out, and thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you really like this video, and thank you for watching. See you later and bye.